Every spring, the wildflowers bloom across California, and in years with lots of rain, we get what's called a superbloom. Hey kids, Hugh here for Road Dogs Quick Looks, and today we are going to take a look at the superbloom of 2023. There are at least 55 types of wildflowers in California, and the palette of colors is impressive. Today we find ourselves close to the Antelope Valley Poppy Reserve, just outside of Lancaster, California. We all knew the superbloom was coming because of all the rain this year. What I found curious, though, is that the Poppy Reserve itself did not get anywhere near the flowers I was expecting. But outside the reserve, the flowers are full and go on for miles across the desert. It is an impressive sight. There are many places to go and see the wildflowers, but understand, after the debacle of 2019, when the multitudes came out and trampled the flowers in many areas, there will be many spots around the state that will be closed with hefty fines for people who violate. Here in Lancaster, where we are, it is usually used for dirt bikes and off-highway vehicles, and since they have well-defined trails, there are many thousands of acres that are undisturbed. I'm going to stop talking for a minute and let you see some of my drone footage of this event. If you have the means to get out to the flowers, do it. They should be blooming well into May. It is something that you will cherish the rest of your life. Just please have some respect and don't trample the flowers. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you leave, and check out ROADDOGS.com for more pictures, information, and links to other sites about superblooms. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. This is Hugh for ROADDOGS.com saying so long.